Right, so I've super glued the brass disc onto this piece of aluminium, done some face grooves in the bit of aluminium to give air somewhere to escape when you press the two bits together. So now it's been resting for a bit, so it should be strong enough to hold on there while I machine down the diameter a bit and give it some facing cuts, and then after that we'll have to try and get it off. Just put some tape around the insert there to try and stop the brass chips flying off all over the place, so see how long that lasts. Probably not very. So here I took some measurements with an imperial micrometer because that's all I had, which read 1 inch 6/28 thou. So I had to times that by 25.4 to convert it to metric, which was 41.35 mil, which gave me 1.35 left to machine off to get to my 40 mil OD diameter that I wanted for the part. So again I took my final measurement, which came out as 1 inch 575 thousandths, which converted is 40.005 mil, which is more than accurate enough for what this is for. So I got a bit keen on the facing cut then, and the super glue gave way. Luckily the part was undamaged, so I managed to set the disc up again, squaring it up with a drill chuck like this to finish off the cuts I was doing to get it to the right thickness.
Most of them are number type. They measure 2.5 to 6.5 on me.
After that was done, I put both parts in the chuck to keep them concentric so I could scribe a line, so I could do the flat on the end plate to match the cylinder perfectly, which I'll do by hand.
So that's basically all the machining work done for the end plate for the piston cylinder now. So it's got the flat on it, it's the right diameter and thickness. It just needs the hole pitch marking in it, and then same again on the top of the cylinder, so they can bolt up with slightly counterbore cat head bolts to hold on, probably 3 of them. So it'll be nice and nice. I know I have to make some sort of gasket to seal the top as well. So yeah, I'll make another video, and I've also got to drill some holes, some blind holes in here, so I can bolt the valve cylinder to this. When that's done, I've still got to figure out how I'm going to do that, but hopefully it'll all turn out alright.